चालू झालं, बंद करा आता. Good morning everybody. I am Pradeep Kulkarni. I welcome you all for my session and I plead your 5 minutes time on this topic, which I believe this is important to all of us, and that is learn to listen. Learn, learn to listen. And I am sure that you know listening is a most important skill amongst the all communication skills. And in this regard, I am just dealing this topic. And in this connection, I think that instead of going straight away on the communication skills, let me share with you an incident which is quoted by Mr. Viktor Frankl, who is one of the famous psychiatrists. He has written a book called Man's Search for Meaning, and that Man's Search for Meaning is a life coaching book. What he stated in that book is, in one middle of the night, one woman telephones him and informs him that she is going to commit a suicide. And when she says so, Frankl thought that we must stop him, and he continued talking with him. And throughout her depression, he simply stated that reason after reason why she should not commit suicide. Finally, she agreed. She promised that she will not commit suicide, she will not take her life, and she kept her word. And later on, when Mr. Frankl met her, she said that Frankl asked, which reason was convincing you? Which reason was persuaded? Then she replied, none of the reason. Then, if none of the reason has persuaded, how come you decided to leave? She answered that it's only one thing, that in that particular middle night, Mr. Frankl's willingness is only the cause which prompted her to believe that in this world someone is ready to listen her, and that is worthwhile to live. And I think on this backdrop, my topic is listening and learning. Learn to listen rather than listen to learn. You know that listening is one of the important skills, and amongst the 4 different skills called as reading, writing, speaking and listening. Reading constitutes 16%, writing constitutes 9%, speaking constitutes 30%, but the biggest part is listening, that constitutes 45%. The problem is not about the time consumed, problem is all about the effectiveness of listening. And as you know that there are 3 basic reasons which makes a person to listen. That is, number 1 is motivation to listen. Number 2 is a circumstance under which he is listening, circumstances of communication. And a third important thing is personality. And these 3 key factors are behind a communication, and more particularly in the listening part. And let's understand now my topic. What is I am telling about learn to listen is all that I am not telling you that listening is significant, but what I wanted to tell you, the body language part of listening is more important. Ultimately, when someone is listening, he need to make a point that he is listening, and therefore first point is lean forward. Make the opposite person to understand that you are listening. Secondly, empathize. Empathize the speaker so that he will continue to speak his feelings. And third thing is avoid distractive actions by you. And fourth one is respond, and make the opposite person to understand that you are responding to his listening by way of humming, by nodding. Okay, and I am sure that the last N you wanted to know, that never interrupt the speaker. Never interrupt the speaker. Okay, and this is what I wanted to impress upon. LEARN is a key part to impress upon the speaker that you are seriously listening. Thank you so much for your very kind attention. Thank you so much. Bye.
अजून आहे 15 सेकंड.
ठीक आहे, हे करेक्ट आहे, हे करेक्ट. बंद केलीस ना?
हे
अरे बंद करायचेस ना.